Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on the 21st of July 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.3. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 73.71% since we initially designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.3% per day since it was marked as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 136.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 78.24% to 167.43%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 61.6%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 23.56% and 155.42% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future priced somewhere between $5.66 and $18.90. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, High Volatility in BigBear.ai Holdings Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $7.40. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by 6.92% on the last day, Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, from $7.95 to $7.40. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 16.40%, reaching a day low of $7.38 and a day high of $8.59. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.88% during this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 14 million shares, with a total of 111 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $818,400,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest price was $1.17. Currently, the price is 28.50%, or $2.95, below the 52-week high, and 54.09%, or $8.72, below the all-time high on April 6, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, has experienced a remarkable surge, with its stock climbing 23.5% just last week alone. This rise contributes to an impressive 78% increase year-to-date, generating significant attention from investors looking for high-growth opportunities in the defense and artificial intelligence sectors. The enthusiasm surrounding BigBear.ai can be compared to that of notable players like Palantir Technologies, whose stock has also seen explosive growth this year. In recent weeks, the stock has shown notable volatility but consistently closed higher, reflecting strong investor interest. A key factor for this recent momentum is the upcoming announcement of its second quarter earnings report, set for the 11th of August. Such earnings releases can often provide insights into a company's performance and future outlook, influencing investor sentiment dramatically. Short term, the excitement leading up to this earnings call may continue to drive stock prices higher. However, if the results do not meet investor expectations, we could see a swift correction. In the long term, if BigBear.ai continues to execute effectively and capture market share in the AI defense space, it could solidify its position as a growth leader, ultimately leading to sustained increases in its stock value. Given the currently bullish sentiment, BBAI could be positioned for further gains, but market reactions to upcoming news will be crucial. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings generates buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $7.31 and $5.56. A dip below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative indicators have been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined nearly 10%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading session, the volume decreased alongside the price, which diminishes overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 171 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 58 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.79 and $5.84. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests the support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $6.79. Should this level break, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.84 and $5.80. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.21 between its high and low points, which is approximately 16.4%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 11.22%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 7 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $7.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $6.79. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider sale of 6,524 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn executed an insider sale of 5,945 shares of common stock. On the 30th of June, 2025, McAleen and Kevin executed an insider sale of 3,113 shares of common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond executed an insider purchase of 39,788 shares of common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings, LLC executed an insider purchase of 65,822 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we see that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 92.963. In total, insiders purchased 2,795,254 shares and sold 135,474,287 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.96, reflecting a decrease of 5.88%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this might be a good time to consider buying. There appears to be a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform favorably in the near future. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open higher by 390 cents, starting at a price of $7.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.